What's up guys, it's Thomas here. Today I'm really excited to be finally showing you how to install the Unc0ver version 5 jailbreak on your iOS 13.5 device without a computer. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the process of installing the Unc0ver jailbreak without a computer is pretty easy. For this tutorial I'm going to be using my iPad Pro, and it is running iOS 13.5. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website. It's an App Valley website, app.app-valley.vip/install pages, and it's basically this Unc0ver jailbreak version 5.0.1. Download, the link is in the description below. So you're just going to tap install, and then you're going to wait for it to load, and once it goes to installing, you're just going to quickly open Control Center and open airplane mode just so it can install and doesn't get blocked by Apple. Now you're going to tap on it once. It will tell you unable to verify app. Tap cancel. Open settings, general, profiles and device management, and you're going to want to trust Shenzhen Warmaden Technology Company Limited. Click it and click trust. And here we have Unc0ver, so we're going to tap on it, and we're going to tap jailbreak, and we're going to wait. And you can just close out of the ad. Jailbreak completed. The system needs to reboot, and so we're going to tap OK. Alright guys, so my device just restarted, so I'm going to open up the Unc0ver app, tap jailbreak one more time, wait for it. And now my device is going to reboot into a jailbroken state, so I'll tap OK. Alright guys, so my device is just rebooted, and if we swipe to the side, as you can see, here I have Cydia, and I can open it. It's fully working. I can install. There's going to reload the data as it usually does. I can go to sources. I can go to changes and upgrade tools. Everything works properly jailbroken without a computer on Unc0ver version 5.0.1. Alright guys, I just want to quickly note that sometimes when you jailbreak with Unc0ver, it has a little issue when you reboot your device to install the jailbreak. If this happens, it actually happened to me while recording. Just open up Unc0ver one more time and tap the jailbreak button again, and it will retry. Guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you out. If it did, please do be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.